Welcome to The Best Cars, your one-stop destination for everything automotive. In today's video, we're looking at the top 5 luxury SUVs that are set to dominate the market in 2025. These SUVs combine state-of-the-art technology, supreme comfort, and unmatched performance to deliver the ultimate driving experience. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an adventurer, or someone who loves luxury, this list has something for everyone. Let's dive in. SUVs have transformed from practical family vehicles to luxurious powerhouses that cater to every need. They offer spaciousness, versatility, and cutting-edge features that rival even the most prestigious sedans. In 2025, automakers are raising the bar higher than ever before. From eco-friendly options to high-performance machines, here are the top 5 luxury SUVs that deserve your attention. First on our list is the Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe 2025 edition. This SUV takes luxury to a new level with its bold design and cutting-edge features. The GLE Coupe is powered by a turbocharged engine that delivers up to 429 horsepower, ensuring a dynamic and smooth ride. Its sleek coupe-like silhouette combines elegance with athleticism, making it stand out on any road. Inside, the cabin feels more like a luxury lounge. With Napa leather upholstery, customizable ambient lighting, and advanced climate control, every journey is a first-class experience. The dual 12.3-inch screens house the latest MBUX infotainment system, which uses AI to learn your preferences. Whether you're navigating a city or cruising the countryside, the GLE Coupe ensures you do it in style. Next, we have the BMW X7 M60i, a 3-row SUV that exudes sophistication and power. This full-sized SUV is designed for those who refuse to compromise on space or luxury. Under the hood, the X7 features a 523-horsepower V8 engine, delivering exhilarating performance that you wouldn't expect from an SUV of this size. But it's not just about power. The xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures superior handling in all conditions. Inside, the X7 offers a world of comfort. The cabin is adorned with fine leather, crystal accents, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. With heated seats in all 3 rows and a panoramic sunroof, every passenger gets a taste of luxury. For tech enthusiasts, the curved display powered by BMW's iDrive 8 creates an ultra-modern driving experience. The Range Rover Autobiography is a true icon of luxury and capability. Combining timeless design with modern technology, this SUV is built to impress. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, featuring semi-aniline leather seats, wood veneers, and customizable ambient lighting. The rear seats offer a first-class experience with reclining functionality, massage options, and touchscreen controls for entertainment. Performance-wise, the Range Rover doesn't disappoint. It offers a plug-in hybrid engine option for improved efficiency, alongside its legendary off-road capabilities. With an adaptive suspension system, the Range Rover Autobiography glides effortlessly over any terrain, delivering unparalleled comfort. The Audi Q8 e-tron represents the pinnacle of electric luxury. Designed for the environmentally conscious driver, this SUV offers a range of up to 370 miles on a single charge, making it one of the most efficient in its class. Charging is quick and convenient, with ultra-fast capabilities that can recharge the battery to 80% in just 30 minutes. Inside, the Q8 e-tron is a sanctuary of comfort and innovation. The Virtual Cockpit Plus, intuitive touchscreens, and sustainable materials create an eco-luxury experience. Audi's Quattro electric all-wheel drive ensures precise handling, whether you're navigating tight city streets or exploring winding country roads. The Q8 e-tron combines sustainability with style, setting a new standard for electric SUVs. Last but certainly not least, the Lamborghini Urus Performante takes luxury SUVs to an entirely new level. With a twin-turbo V8 engine producing 657 horsepower, it's the fastest SUV of 2025. The Urus Performante's lightweight carbon fiber body and aerodynamic design enhance both speed and efficiency. Inside, the cabin is all about sportiness and luxury, featuring Alcantara upholstery, customizable drive modes, and advanced connectivity. This SUV isn't just about looks. It's about delivering an adrenaline-pumping experience on every drive. These luxury SUVs redefine what it means to travel in style, combining cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and world-class comfort. Whether you're looking for adventure, sustainability, or sheer opulence, 2025 has something special in store for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to The Best Cars for more insights into the world of automobiles. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.